Hi, I'm a brown girl of Muslim origin, and I have a few words to say about the justifications that are being given in the lieu of New Zealand mosque shootings. It is being said that this incident was a result of the anti-immigration sentiments that have developed among the local people because of the immigrants. They feel that they are being marginalized or they're not getting enough job opportunities, etc. Well, immigration is a mutually beneficial process. When a country decides to grant the rights of permanent residence or citizenship to a person, it is on the basis of the skill set that they want to benefit from. An immigrant leaves everything behind in the hope of better job opportunities, social security, and of course, safety. You cannot expect an IT engineer from Syria taking away the job of a local high school dropout. New Zealand mosque shootings are a brutal and barbarian act of terrorism. These should be called as such without being given any justifications to the media or to yourselves. Thank you so much.